Hi there, it's Vicki Boutin, and I am so excited to be back with my brand new release with my friends at Sizzix. I have 8 new SKUs, 4 Thinlits, a stamp and die set, and 3 new stencil sets. All the tools that you need for creating mixed media fun. So without further ado, let's flip the camera and get right into it. I can't wait to share the details of the 8 new SKUs and show you some samples of all of it cut out and inked and all of that kind of fun. So let's take a look. First up is this set of Thinlit dies. It has 70 dies in it. It is called Stitched Floral. It is a lovely set of layering dies with, look at all of that embossing detail. It's absolutely beautiful. Let's take a little look at the dies cut. So look at that. I love it. So you have 3 separate layers there and then the center. So the background, a base layer, and then the detail die that has all of that embossing on there. And you have the 2 scale size of florals, the leaves, and then the butterfly. I absolutely love this set. So many possibilities with this. The scale is great for cards. It's great for art journaling, your scrapbook pages. I can't wait to try a couple of different things with this die outside of paper. But I totally love it. Stitched Floral is the first of the Thinlit dies. The next Thinlit die set is called Lovely Lace. It has 17 dies in it. It is great for building your patterns. We need things that we can actually layer on top of, and I love how this one turned out. It is a 5-inch die, but it can be layered and continued to create a larger piece. It is repeatable, and look at all that detail. So you have embossing and cutting. I absolutely love this die. Again, 17 pieces, so you also have elements that can be layered. We took the floral, kind of the little floral pattern out of the lace and made it a standalone with some base dies. You have a little border and the sentiment. Love this set. And here it is cut. Isn't that beautiful? So I love it. The scale is perfect for the little sentiment. This can be continued. So if you want to use it for your scrapbook pages or something larger, or even a slimline card, it can be repeated. This can be repeated. I will have lots of samples showing how you can use it. I love this set. Just kind of a little bit out of the box, but great for having something to layer all your beautiful elements on. So again, this one is called Lovely Lace. The third Thinlit set in this collection is called Sunny Days, and it continues this kind of stitched theme. I absolutely love this with the clouds, the hearts. There's actually one more heart in here. It's not pictured on the front, but there's 22 dies in this set. And then look at the scale is lovely, and you can see all of that kind of stitch, that stitch pattern on there. Each one of the little sunbeams is a standalone piece that can be layered. I absolutely love that. Hopefully you can see it. But look at the embossing pattern on there. Again, this is called Sunny Days, 22 pieces in this. Let me show you it cut. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So there's a little stitch pattern running through the sunbeams. The clouds have little layering pieces to add all of that detail. And then the 3 hearts. And they all have the base pieces. The clouds have the little circles that could be used on their own. The sun has all those details in those layers. Again, can be used for any of your crafting needs. Die cuts, I love them. Elements that can layer on all of the other things. Buildable, clusterable, it's perfect. Again, this set is called Sunny Days. The 4th and final Thinlit die in this May release for Vicki Boutin with Sizzix is the bubble wrap background. I love this. You have cutout areas, you have embossed areas. It is a standalone die. The scale of it is perfect. And you can see all of those embossing areas and then the areas that cut out on this set or on this Thinlit. Let me show you what it looks like when you cut it out. Bubble wrap background. Oh my goodness, I love this. So you can brayer the ink over the raised bits is the easiest way I feel to add that kind of shadow effect. But I absolutely love this. Again, perfect for layering all your other elements. Your butterflies, your flowers, your florals. It'll work well with other dies and pieces and sets that you have in your creative toolbox. But I absolutely love this one. And again, this is bubble wrap backgrounds. If you love the more traditional stamp and die sets, this stamp and framelit set is called Floral Bouquet Stamp and Dies. You have hand-drawn. This is my hand-drawn art, great for coloring. And then you have the banner and then some stamps that will coordinate with the banner. Thinking of you, hey friends, celebrate. So you have a whole stamp set there with this set. Hopefully you can see that. This is great for coloring and then layering all your pieces. And then you have the coordinating dies. So you have the die for the floral to cut out and the banner. And to show you it in action, I have actually created a card and you can see the banner and I've colored that. And then I've colored these florals with pencil crayon, colored pencil. Absolutely love this. If you are into kind of the traditional coloring stamps, it's very pretty. Again, this set is called Floral Bouquet Stamp and Thinlit Set. Love it. Friends, I love stencils, and I'm excited to say we have 3 stencil sets in this release. There are 4 stencils in each pack. I absolutely love this. There's your 4 patterns in here. It is called Stitched Florals. It is a stitched stencil set. I love that they come in the little clear packs for storage. But to give you an idea, I'll pull this aside so you can see. You have this stitched pattern for stencil number 1 out of this set. Love it. You have these kind of stitched circles or look kind of like roses. And that is stencil number 2 in this set. I will show you them inked as well. You have stencil number 3 that is kind of this grungy background stitch. I love this for layering. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous. And then some stitched circles. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I love that whole concept of adding some sewing without actually having to sew. It would actually be a good guide as well if you wanted to stencil and then do some hand stitching. But here are the stencils actually inked. So I just used a little bit of oxide ink so you could get a true representation of the pattern. Stencil 1. Look at those rosebuds. Ooh, I love it. Stencil 3. And stencil 4. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, these are called Stitched Florals. You get the 4 dies in the set. And this is set number 1 of the 3 new stencil sets with this release. The second set of stencils in this collection I love. It is Words and Numbers. And this is a perfect set for layering. So let's take a closer look. Again, it comes with the collection pouch or the little pouch inside. You have a set of beautiful script. You have a set of words. Love that. And it's kind of all art inspired. You have a beautiful tight kind of French script. Great for layering, different scales. It's beautiful. And then this number set. Absolutely love that. Let's take a look at the art when these are actually inked. Sorry, my fingers aren't working. Look how beautiful that is. Love it. All that open space for inking. There's your words, which can be completely masked and separated. the script, and then your numbers. Beautiful set. Again, this one is called Words and Numbers. Love it. And the final product in this release is another set of stencils. These are layering backgrounds. So it is called Background Textures. It is another set of 4 stencils. It comes with a pouch. And you have this kind of pebble pattern. It's awesome. All these styles are really different, scales different, great for layering. A repeatable tile pattern. Absolutely love this. Wait till you see it inked up. A linear pattern. And another kind of a repeatable pattern. Love this. Let me show you the art. Inked up. Again, fingernails not working. There you go. Look how beautiful. It's kind of pebble art. I think it's a great background. Be great to add your florals and such on. Look at that tile pattern. Beautiful. The tile pattern. And your linear pattern. Absolutely love them. So this is the final SKU in this set. Again, it is called Background Textures. So lots of fun additions with this new release from Vicki, Boutin, and Sizzix to add to your creative toolbox. I can't wait to see what you're going to make with all of this, and make sure you tag us, and lots of inspiration is going to be on its way. So keep checking back. Can't wait to share all of the ideas I have to create some beautiful art with all of these new releases. See you soon.